Hey, what are you doing here? Well, I mean, it's nice to see you. So my name is Joe Paguyo. I'm taking this class. I've learned a few things about this class. I want to share with you. So let's go on a trip. Social media is a powerful tool, to say the least. From the YouTube video Social Economics 2018, crazy to see the world population rankings that 3 of the top 10 were actual countries such as India, China, and the United States. The other 7 spots in the top 10 rankings all belong to social media apps. Facebook being number 1 shows the magnitude social media has on the world. This further displays how much time we spend and how much control that technology has over our generation. It's also very interesting to see how each app manipulates various algorithms in order to garner much traffic. Inventory, signals, predictions, and its overall scores are successful components that keep people attached to their Facebooks, for example. Knowing how social media works in order to keep using them is important. It could potentially know what kind of activities you like to do in the real world. The second thing I learned is the topic of cloud computing. This section posed a very important question.
Where are we going to store all of that data?
So let's just say, if I wanted to develop an app that would track the user's habits, social media, it is important to know how and where this information can be processed and stored. The cloud allows lower cost of operations, lower downtime, meaning high-performing applications, and it's always up to date. This is a very important concept to know in regards to storing information which involves the individual's habits on their phones and social media. Data is also collected directly from the users, otherwise known as first-party data. The programmers for this potential app could utilize all this data to send out recommended activities for people to do in the real world. But what if there was an app for that? From learning in this class, it's amazing to see how effectively social media is able to keep track of a multitude of information that one applies to it when using it. Whether it be tracking to see what certain posts you happen to like, comment on, and share a lot on Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, or any social media platform, or even see the type of things you purchase on the App Store, Amazon, or any other website similar in nature. I wonder if that Us movie was any good. Let me check some reviews online. This looks interesting. After a while, social media gathers information and data to develop a list of recommendations for items to purchase or videos to watch. Also, the more you maintain interaction with a certain item or some form of content, the more likely you are to see it show up on your social media. Let's see what YouTube has recommended me today. Jordan Peele talks Us movie and Easter eggs exclusive. This looks very interesting. I'll add this to my watch later. Thank you, YouTube. This potential app, I would love to encourage people to be more active in the physical world. I would like to develop an app that learns your habits in your social media or phone usage and recommends activities based on your location. For example, if an individual has a penchant for liking posts related to food or restaurants, this app will know and process that data and could potentially recommend a restaurant in the user's area to go and try out. Wow, look at all this amazing looking food on Instagram. I hope this app can recommend me a place to eat or a restaurant in the area that I can go to. This is a great app idea to try out to take advantage of the internet collecting social media usage and to use it for a positive effect and recommend activities near the user so the user can interact with the physical environment as opposed to always stuck on their social media devices. Shucks, I'm getting really hungry. Use my app to see what places it'll recommend me to go and eat. Shot dining hall. That sounds good. I think I'm gonna try it. Thank you, app. Very cool. My final message, please support this app idea and save us from our technology. Let us experience the real world again. And I thank you.